An Android Headlines report has shared a design render of the Moto G Stylus 5G 2025. It shows a design similar to the existing Moto G Stylus 5G 2024, but sports a larger rear camera module. The newly leaked render suggests the 2025 variant will be equipped with a triple rear camera setup. This new camera module looks a bit like the one found on the back of higher-end devices like the Edge 50 and Edge 50 Neo. Moto G Stylus 5G come in a primary 50MP snapper and a secondary 13MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The flat screen of the purported handset is seen with slim bezels and a slightly thicker chin. A centered hole punch slot at the top of the display is expected to house the selfie camera. The volume rocker and the power button are seen on the right edge of the handset, while the left edge holds the SIM slot. The report added that the phone could launch in May 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.